Seguridad Nacional, asil kamagtakan yung
Rizal Lozada, Basta Bicolano,
para sa Seguridad Nacional, asil kamagtakan yung Seguridad
Basta Bicolano,
Basta Bicolano.
Basta Bicolano, Oragon.
Hello, I am Angeline Dicta, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting. Hi, I'm Arlene Esquivel, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting.
Hi, I am Ralph Felix Opiniano, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
I am Jeremy Encinares, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting.
Hi, I'm Rizal Lozada, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Journalism.
I'm Johnny B. Ape, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting. Student intern here at
90.7.
Radyo Oragon.
Contribution sa akin, madami, malaki. Sobrang laki ng naitulong sa akin ng station na to in terms of script writing, interviewing, news writing na gamit ang Bicol Naga dialect, and yung pag-operate ng audio equipment natin, lalo na kapag nag-musical program tayo, di ba? Yung pagiging intern ko dito sa Radyo Oragon, cliche man pakinggan, seriously helped me develop my communication and teamwork abilities, and even boost my confidence more.
Yes, grabe talaga yung natulong ng Radyo Oragon sa akin personally. Build talaga yung self-confidence ko, and then na-overcome ko yung fear kapag sa live na. And syempre, tuto ako sa Bicol Naga dialect. Yan talaga yung nag-highlight ng buhay ko dito sa Radyo Oragon. Lagi sa amin sinasabi ni Sir na success, hindi siya a-achieve overnight, but over time. So, personally, yun yung natulong sa akin ng Radyo Oragon. Then, sa field, which is yung pag-broadcast na. Bukod sa skills, self-improvement, na-improve nito yung sarili ko na mas galingan pa. Huwag lang matakot na mag-aim ng something na alam mo naman na kaya mong gawin.
One thing na na-contribute ng Radyo Oragon sa akin personally and as a future media practitioner, yun yung maging self-reliant kami, lalo na ngayon na dito sa intern, tinuruan na kami ni Sir maging self-reliant. Hindi niya na kami tinuturuan kung paano magsulat and mag-edit ng news namin na i-translate to Bicol Naga dialect. So, lagi sinasabi ni Sir na mistakes are part of our lives. Kumbaga, doon natin nakukuha yung mga lesson natin na makatulong sa atin in the future. So, Radyo Oragon contributed a lot sa akin. Dahil unang-una, I was always perceived as a board leader. Lagi nilang sinasabi na Angeline is a good leader. But here in Radyo Oragon, I was taught and I learned to follow and just to be with the team. Kasi lagi ko na-experience na laging ako yung nag-lead, laging ako yung nangunguna. Pero dito sa Radyo Oragon, ang sarap din pala minsan sa pakiramdam na na-experience mo na natututo ka rin from other people. Like, hindi lang ikaw yung nagbibigay ng na hindi ka lang nagiging leader sa kanila, but at the same time, napapakita mo na you are also a good follower. Radyo Oragon contributed to self-improvement ko. Because dati, lagi kong sinasabi na kagaya nung ibang experience na co-interns ko, na parang ang stagnant na, parang hindi na kami nag-i-improve kasi nga, paulit-ulit na lang yung ginagawa namin. Ito sa Radyo Oragon, every day is a room for improvement. It is a room for development. Radyo Oragon is the best station where you can have your student internship.
Radyo Oragon helped me to be consistent. At first, sabi ko, umalikan, daaman barang bago, stagnant na ako dito. But when I start compiling our live broadcast, na-realize ko, wow, nagre-reklamo ako, pero ang daming pinagbago dahil lang doon. I become consistent and it gains me a lot of confidence. And now, I'm confident na.
If I'm going to describe Radyo Oragon in one word, it would be acceptance.
If I'm going to describe Radyo Oragon in one word, it would be courage. For me, Radyo Oragon is competent.
Radyo Oragon is makakurap.
Being professional.
Radyo Oragon, it would be welcoming.
Para sa
National
Seguridad.
Rizal Lozada,
Jenny B. Ape, Angeline Dicta, Jeremy Encinares,
Arlene Esquivel.
Basta Bicolano.
Basta Bicolano, Oragon.